Mayday to you guys out there. Today at Leesville again. Today you're going to get to watch me probably get caught in a thunderstorm. But I'm going to stay close to the dock just in case. Just in case the heavens open and bless us with a storm. It just got done raining right when I was putting in. Sat in my truck for a couple minutes. But now it's sun shining, so who knows? It's crazy out here. Let's catch some fish. Today, water temperature. Well, don't know. That's okay. 72 probably. But we're at Leesville Lake. It's Monday, June probably 26th, I believe. I'm not sure. But anyway, I can look on my calendar. 28. Nah, that's the time. 1:28. Anyway, let's catch some fish, guys. Got a crappie in here, baby. What do you think of that? Not bad. Not a bad fish to start off with. Little crappie, good eating fish. What do you think? Get him out of here. He barely did anything when he hit. Ah. Looks like it's sun shining out now. We know how quickly that could turn. Let's just hope it holds on and the rain holds off. There we go. Uh-oh. Got my boat going crazy on me. Not a bad one. Better than nothing, right? We'll take him. Be free. He fought a lot harder. I'm just using a minnow on a jig head. White jig head, blue minnow with some metal flake to it. Been getting hit. Show it to you. That's it right there. I like fishing with these jigs. Let it kind of drop, nose down, and kind of pop it on the bottom. Looks like it's hunting. Then you can crank it a little bit, get it swimming, and then stop and kill it. And then it will dive down, and then you kind of hop it. It's a fun bite when you get one. Hoping this rain holds off, you know. If the rain holds off, I'll be golden. As you can tell, I have my rain pants on right now. The boat was soaking wet about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes ago when it was pouring down rain. I just put the boat in. I go to park my truck. As soon as I get right to the door of my truck to get in it, boom, the rain starts. Oh, wasn't paying attention there. The rain starts coming down. And so I had to sit in my truck for a little bit. But then I saw on the radar it was going to just pass over. It was a little squall. So let it pass over. Got out here, been sun shining. But now, right now, the wind's picking up. and the horizon's looking like it's getting a little darker, so we might be getting in a storm here. And this one might be a little bigger and thundery, lightning-y. Let's hope not. Mayday. We'll have a real mayday. And I'm having problems with my remote control today. Bad problem. Switched over to a skirted jig. Got my rain gear on it, started sprinkling a little bit and then it quit. Black and blue skirted jig with about a, I don't know, 1 ounce, 3/8 ounce weight. Got it Texas rigged. Been getting some hits on it, but nobody wants to buy. We need some buyers out there. Now it's sunshining again. Time to take the jacket off. Back in Denny's Cove throwing a spinning bait. Never have I ever caught anything on a spinning bait, ever. Today's the day, right? Today's the day. Got any tips on spinning baits, let me know. I've got a minnow trailer on it with a trailer hook. Not seeing a lot of fish back in here, but that doesn't mean anything. Only takes one. I would love to hit something on this thing. Just to know that they work. And I know they work. I see people catch them on TV all the time. But I'm wondering when I'm going to. That wind out on the lake, it was just really windy, so I figured, well, I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna throw on a spinning bait, try it out there on the water in the ripples and stuff. You can see, didn't work too well. That's why I'm back here in the cove. But where there's a will, there's a way. Nothing. Well, I left the cove and now I'm just off the swim, off the beach area. Just throwing around, trying to catch something, trying my luck on the bottom. Just want to see if I can bring something up. We'll see. It's been kind of a rough day. Rain on and off. Got the wind blowing us all over the place. Hate to make excuses, but I did catch 2, so I'm happy with that. I'd like to catch a few more though. That would be nice. It is the 26th of June right now. It's about 76 degrees of water temperature. 5:20 p.m. I'm about ready to get out of here. I'd like to get one more out here, that'd be pretty nice. Just fishing a minnow on a jig. And there she is.
Aww.
All right, right at the boat. Nice catch. Little dink, but you know what? I didn't expect to catch anything right around here, but then again, you can't ever not expect it, you know? You gotta be expecting it. At the boat, I figured, yeah, this is some grass I'm getting snagged in. Little did I know I had a dink. I think we might hit a few more dinks because we're getting in some grassy spots here where they're in there laying. And it's minnow season for dinks. A lot of grass in through here. I just heard thunder. I'm out of here. I know that's a storm on the way. Whether it is or isn't, I got to get home anyway. All right, guys. Hey, thanks for joining me. If you liked the video, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. I could use, you know, all the subscribers I can get. Plenty of room for you on my channel too. Anyway. Thanks for joining me. We've got 3 today, and I hope you liked the video. And the only thing I can say is I'll try to get back out here sometime again this week. But until then, Mayday is out of here.